In this video, we are going to discuss top 10 technologies that will replace humans in future. Before starting this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. A rundown of the jobs that are most likely to be performed by AI machines in the future is provided below. This rundown is based on the nature and type of these jobs. Here are 10 jobs that robots will replace humans in the future. Let's start with number 10. Customer service executives. Customer service executives do not require an exceptionally high level of social or emotional intelligence in order to achieve a high level of professional success. AI is now being utilized by a large number of companies to provide responses to frequently asked queries and inquiries from customer service. Not only are chatbots becoming a vital part of client engagement, but they are also getting increasingly popular. In addition to supporting the other kinds of inquiries, they also support a substantial number of inquiries that are conducted internally. Number 9. Bookkeeping and data entry. There is a good chance that it has been quite some time since you gave bookkeeping any consideration in terms of a potential career path for you to pursue. If this is the case, there is a strong chance that you have not given this career path any consideration in quite some time. It would be more sensible to include AI and ML, machine learning, into the product cycle as opposed to continuing to rely on humans for data entry and bookkeeping chores. This would result in greater productivity. Number 8. Receptionists. In addition, the use of automatic check-in systems in hotels of all sizes means that, in the long run, there will be a reduced demand for receptionists. Even fast food restaurants of today have communication screens or tabs for customers to use in order to place their orders. With the advent of artificial intelligence, AI, there is a strong likelihood that robots will be able to handle ordering and other functions connected to it. Number 7. Proofreading. Proofreading is a significantly easier process than editing, which takes a higher level of expertise in terms of tone, comprehension, and other elements. Using a variety of different techniques, it is feasible to automate the process of detecting many forms of errors, including grammatical faults, issues in the formation of sentences, and other types of errors. For example, one of the most well-known apps that is utilized by professionals for the purpose of performing this function is referred to as Grammarly. Number 6. Manufacturing and pharmaceutical work. People's concerns about the impact of artificial intelligence on their careers are likely at their highest level in this industry. Once the production process for the majority of the goods produced today has been mechanized, artificial intelligence will be able to handle the operational element as well. Even in laboratories where pharmaceuticals are created, robots and humans can collaborate to create a much more secure working environment. After this change, scientists won't be able to put their lives in less danger. Number 5. Retail services. People who used to handle sales transactions are now being replaced by automated systems. Artificial intelligence can very soon become engaged if many retailers focus on providing customers with self-service ordering and payment choices. In several large shopping conglomerates, human sales associates are being phased out and replaced by consumer behavior analysis robots. In addition, the extensive data analysis performed by AI machines reveals additional products that clients may be interested in purchasing in the near or distant future. Number 4. Courier services. As a direct result of the proliferation of AI, the delivery industry has been subjected to a plethora of social and economic developments. It has made a range of functions within the logistics and supply chain more efficient, which has enhanced overall efficiency. It is already regular practice in the distribution industry to make use of unmanned aerial vehicles and robots. The industrial sector and the transportation sector will be the ones most significantly impacted, not only when the use of robotic automation becomes more prevalent in the years to come, but also when it comes to the magnitude of its effects. Number 3. Doctors. We are now seeing robot surgeons perform life-or-death procedures all over the world, and it is only a matter of time before they entirely replace human surgeons. When compared to their human counterparts, robotic doctors will be able to provide patients with treatments that are both more accurate and more successful. There is also a lower risk of infection as a result of increased sterility precautions and the elimination of any potential for human error. Number 2. Soldiers. According to experts in the armed forces, it is commonly anticipated that future combat zones would be populated by robots that are capable of carrying out directives on their own initiative and without the assistance of a human. Robots are performing a variety of tasks in military operations, including intelligence gathering, surveillance, and many others. This is giving robots an increasingly important role in military operations. The head of the armed forces in the United Kingdom recently made a statement in which he hinted that autonomous robots would soon make up a quarter of the British Army by the year 2030. This statement was made public. Number 1. Taxi and bus drivers. There is a 98% chance that all of the work in this sector will be carried out by automated systems in the foreseeable future. There are now autos on the market that are capable of driving themselves, and it won't be long before we're all being transported in entirely driverless cars. According to a report by the Los Angeles Times, it is possible that driverless vehicles may make the jobs of 1.7 million truck drivers in the United States obsolete within the next 10 years. What are your thoughts on this video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, like it, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for more videos.